The Toyota Avalon, while both iconic and near and dear to our hearts, has been marked by a history of a round and soft design that conveyed luxury with its interior features but left a lot to be desired on the exterior. However, with the new model year comes new changes, and the Avalon has seen the most change by far. Now unrecognizable, for the right reasons, the Toyota Avalon is here to show the world that luxury and sport can coexist in a sedan. And best news yet, it's on our lot at Toyota of Clermont right now, just waiting for a test drive. 2019 is the year for change, and the new Toyota Avalon is now something entirely new when compared to its yesteryear counterpart. New interior and exterior design accents are here to wow drivers and onlookers alike, and with 7 trim levels, there's no limit to personalizing your driving experience. Trim levels for 2019 include the XLE, Hybrid XLE, XSE, Hybrid XSE, Touring, Limited, and Hybrid Limited. A complete body redesign has left many wondering if the new Toyota Avalon is in fact an Avalon after all. And the answer is yes, it is. The incredible front bumper is all parts striking and exhilarating, especially when you take into account the bright LED headlights and new daytime running lights. You'll be able to choose from a variety of different finishes and alloy wheels up to 19 inches, which give the Toyota Avalon a mean and intimidating stance that turns heads with every corner. A piano black rear spoiler and dual chrome tipped exhaust finish off the exterior design. We know it's hard to look away from the exterior, but it's time to turn your attention to the interior of the 2019 Toyota Avalon. With a cockpit-style driver's seat that automatically adjusts upon ignition, the interior is posh, comfortable, and spacious. Soft-tex and leather upholstery coupled with seats that are both heated and cooled create a luxurious level of comfort for passengers, and hydrographic, aluminum, and genuine wood interior trim options tie everything together perfectly. Luxury and sport blend seamlessly in the new Toyota Avalon, but we can't forget about safety features. Keeping yourself and other people on the road safe is one of Toyota's ultimate goals, and they accomplish that and more with their new wave of advanced safety technology. Toyota Safety Sense P is included in all new Toyota models and uses a suite of safety features like the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure with steering assist, automatic high beams, and dynamic radar cruise control, so you can hit the road with confidence knowing that your Toyota Avalon is keeping you safe. Intelligent clearance sonar with rear cross traffic alert, Safety Connect services, and 10 airbags in an advanced airbag system mean that you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road will be protected from start to finish. A vehicle like the 2019 Toyota Avalon deserves the latest and greatest in Toyota technology for your convenience. The new Entune 3.0 Audio Plus with App Suite infotainment system sports a plethora of convenience apps and optional JBL premium sound for clear tunes and seamless hands-free calling. A new 10-inch head-up display and 7-inch multi-information display make access to information like your current song, your safety settings, and even your fuel efficiency easy and organized. The 2019 Toyota Avalon is beautiful to look at, comfortable to sit in, and offers a driving experience that's pretty unforgettable. The sports car-like performance of this luxury sedan is owed to an engineering overhaul that optimizes performance under the hood. The 3.5-liter V6 engine outputs 310 horsepower, but manages to still stay fuel efficient, getting 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This model year provides drivers with more options for fuel efficiency and a greener driving experience with several hybrids. They use a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that outputs 176 horsepower and gets an EPA estimated 43 miles per gallon in the city and 44 miles per gallon on the highway. While uncommon for most vehicles at this price point, optional adaptive variable suspension gives the Toyota Avalon an unrivaled control and balance on the road. Standard independent McPherson strut suspension with sport-tuned shock absorbers keep your ride feeling smooth and tight when turning corners. Come and see the new face of luxury at Toyota of Clermont. We're located at 16851 State Road 50, just off the Florida Turnpike, and we're open 7 days a week.